Hi everyone, Todd at PCC. Today I wanted to talk a little bit about a safety product that we've been representing for a while from IDEM called the Skorpion trap key system. If you're not familiar with trap key systems, they're basically a mechanical system that allows you to do like a sequence of events to protect the machinery or protect personnel from entering machinery. So what you have involved is typically a disconnect switch of some sort. That disconnect is really the only spot that there's any power. The rest of the system, in most cases, is just mechanical. We would have a key here that's labeled with an A, and that key would fit into our trap. And when it's in the trap, it would allow us to remove this key, which is needed to open the gate that's up here, if you were to pretend that this bolt is holding a door closed, let's say. To demonstrate how this works, we want to remove the C key, but it's trapped in the system, so we have to disconnect the power, take the A key, move it into the A position in the trap. Once that's in there, it will allow the C key to be released. The C key then can go up into our door switch or door lock and open the door. Now, if we wanted to try to energize the system, we have to remove the A key to do that, and we're not allowed to because the trap is not full. So we put the C key back in. Once the C key is back in the system, that will allow the A key to be removed, and we can put the A key back in the disconnect and power the system back on. So it's really a sequence of events. You can have multiple keys, many options, and all of those devices then don't need to have any special power if you don't want to. There are solenoid locking versions. There's also some valve versions that are available for this. But the idea is it's mechanical, not electrical in most cases, with the exception of our disconnect. It's very robust, and these are actually stainless or regular die cast, but it is available in a stainless product as well. So for more information, visit our website below or reach out and ask questions. Thank you.